nibegeta nk'ebibiina by'eminyeto.
Ebyo nabigambirwe nnyo mwebaziyo aha mukoro gw'okuhendera olutalo rw'ekitongole kya Ripple Effects abayambire eminyeto erikurenga 50 omu disitulikiti ya Sheema omukoro gw'ibire hari Seven Gardens omu Rukabwohe ogwe barakuvugana abakozi ba government hamwe n'abakansara mu disitulikiti ya Sheema.
Most of the government programs that we have in the district and in the government that includes the youth who have had issues with them, be it Emyoga, be it youth livelihood, be it everything that they. Because for them, once you give them cash, you'll never see them again. They have different other plans. They want to buy smartphones, they want to buy nice clothes. I do not think that we have any yoga circle which is still existing and is for the youth. I don't think it's there. So we have issues with them, and I told you that time when you came that you have to keep an eye on them.
Omwezi wa Aradisa wa district ya Sheema kanubira y'umujyi mukuru agarukira yarabura bakine ntekateka ya kare ngo basimuke.
These days when someone is doing anything to do with the hands, they think you have failed, they think you don't have a future, they think you are neglected, you know all that. But now the people who have the money are those who are in the in that kind of work. So we must encourage them to inform them that even the jobs, the white collar jobs are few.
But they have the qualification. It means we equip them with our skills. Then after we support them with a startup to start business in our project.
Business plans, natural to chavo, oku business eshemerire kutandika na n'okujurwaninga. Tubasupportinga omukora business plans ezo kugira ngo bamanye profitability areas za business zabo. Taro koshemereye kutandika business utakumanya kwera atambure kandi utakumanya n'amagoba golihemu.
If you put them to good use, you will achieve much. We know what normally happens in our villages when we have redundant youth. Like now during the coffee harvest period, the people they are running after, I'm sure 75% of those that they run after are youth. So when they are engaged, then you have solved that problem.
Bamumba yambirwe ekitongole kya Ripple Effects nibagira ngo bakaba batura baferirwe. Gasha kwa Mike atwakire.